Naalala niyo pa ba yung unang-unang song na sinulat niyo?
Oh my gosh.
And how old were you?
Ako, naalala ko.
What was yours? Ilan taong ka first?
I think I started writing at 15
15.
or 16. It's called I don't know if people know this, but yeah, most of my fans know it. It's Baby You Are.
Baby You Are. At saka
cute
nirelease
lang,
mo?
cute. Nirelease ko siya.
Talaga?
It was part of my first ever album.
Wow.
Ito ba yung tungkol sa first crush mo?
Uh,
Sino ba yung first crush mo dati?
Hindi ko na alam, hindi ko na maalala.
So, 15, 16.
Ikaw, Zach, ilang taon ka nung first song?
I think first song ever ko na natapos was 10. I was 10.
10?
I was 10.
Anong title ng song?
I think it came out pa nga eh. Kasi I was in a group back then. A lot of people don't know that, but I was in a boy-girl group. And then we had voicings pa and all. We were called Gravity. And then, and my dad was the one who also like produced some of the songs.
Dope.
And he made an album for us. But yeah, I was 10 and then it was a song about, it was called Imposible. And it was a song about parang imposible na ma-inlove siya sa puso ko.
Wait,
Parang
sample
it
lang.
went like,
Ito ba yung Impossible?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
I was the one who wrote
Sobrang
that song.
gusto mo
Parang
At 10?
yung pre-chorus parang it goes love na parang lotto number na tatama sa puso mo.
That's you?
Imposible.
Ikaw sumulat nun?
Mapunta sa puso mo.
Ba't ko pa tinanong to?
alam mo, Zach, yung song na yun, like, no kidding, like, partly, parang subconsciously, na-inspire niya yung vibes nung Katang Isip.
Weh?
Oh, wow.
Totoo ba?
Kasi mga ano yun 2013, mga ganun yun, di ba?
Around that time.
So, parang a year after that, dun nasulit yung Katang Isip.
Wow.
Galing, ah.
Wow.